What?
Me and his car is here more than anybody's car.
Yeah. This is nice. You got the center caps?
Yeah.
So we're gonna do, we're gonna ceramic coat these rims. We're gonna clean them up, polish. Well, I mean, they look pretty clean, but we'll still do.
Brand new.
Yeah. Oh, they're brand new. Yeah, they look good. So
Some fingerprints on them, that's about it.
we'll strip off all the oils and let's do that ceramic coat with the K. A 9H ceramic coating. It's strong. It feels like tar taking it off, but it's strong. So now we're just knocking off all the oils to ceramic coat the rims. We're using a surface prep. I do have different types of surface preps, ranging from $10 up to like $30, depending on what brand they are. Just making sure we get in the grooves. We're gonna do 3 layers of ceramic coat. This is a non-brand ceramic coating that we're gonna use, but this is some heavy-duty ceramic coating. It's a 9H and it's a very strong, thick formula. This is the ceramic coating that we're using. Do 3 layers of ceramic coat on these. Basically just like the paint, we'll apply it, we'll let it cure, and then we'll come back with 3 towels, 1 towel, second, and this is the 3rd towel, just to make sure we knocked off the product. Let me see, hold on. Show some love. Damn. Let's see. Where you start? Right there? It's crazy, it's already flashing. Show some more love. Go ahead. Yeah. Here, let me throw some more on your... See how hard it is to take off? This is, but when you take it off, bro, I mean, this is what I put on my rims. I'm gonna start selling it. It's just that I get a lot of beginners that using ceramic coating, and this stuff is, I mean, it can be your worst nightmare. The next day you'll see a bunch of high spots because you didn't, which you can take off the high spots if you ever have that issue, but this is a real, like I said, a real thick formula. The ceramic, the ingredient, it's a strong. You could even smell it. Badass. Yes. Now it's sliding, huh? So we're applying the 2nd layer of the ceramic coat. Showing some love. And it's crazy because we waited, what, about 45 minutes, an hour? Waited an hour, and while it was curing for about an hour, the part that the suede towel that we used, can you show the suede towel? The suede towel hardened, like in a matter of what, like I said, 45 minutes to an hour. So this is layer number 3 that we're applying. Pretty much done. We're just doing the center caps now.
Kind of sticky.
That's the first layer. Feels like honey.
Compared to this. Side down.